Okay, on the next few slides, I'm going to share with you some examples along with the directions that you need to follow when writing your haiku poems this week. Okay? All right, so while I'm reading the poems, you can clap along, snap, stomp the syllables for each slide. But before we get started, notice each poem that has been written by a student has a title, beaches, and summer, and also has a picture to go along with each poem. You must also have a title and a picture that goes along with each poem. Okay? If you don't have it's by your name, that's okay because you will be turning it in on your slides. Okay? So, let's get started. Beaches by Caitlin Gunther. Sand scatters the beach. Waves crash on the sandy shore. Blue water shimmers. Okay. So now let's go back and count the syllables. I'm going to be clapping. You can do something different if you'd like. Okay, line 1, it should be 5 syllables. Sand scatters the beach. 5 claps, 5 syllables. Line 2 should be seven syllables. Waves crash on the sandy shore. 7 claps, 7 syllables. Last line. Blue water shimmers. 5 claps, 5 syllables. So this poem follows the 5-7-5 syllable rule. Excellent. Next poem, Summer by Lacey. Okay, let's read it first. Sun shining outside. Sidewalk chalk on the pavement. Time to play hopscotch. Okay, let's check our syllables. Line 1. Sun shining outside. 5 claps, 5 syllables. Wonderful. Line 2 should have 7. Sidewalk chalk on the pavement. 7 claps, 7 syllables. And our last one, last line should be 5 syllables again. Time to play hopscotch. So Lacey's poem also includes the 5-7-5 syllable rule. Okay, next slide is going to be your expectations. So your turn. Your poems will be due Thursday, May 7th. So on the next 2 slides, you will be required to write a total of 2 haiku poems. Your poems must be about either nature, seasons, or feelings. Your poem must include a title and a picture that matches the poem's themes, and no words can be repeated. Lastly, your poem must follow the haiku's strict form of line 1, 5 syllables, line 2, 7 syllables, and line 3, 5 syllables. If your poem does not include, I should say all of these items, you will redo them. So, your haiku 1 should be here. Friends, if you want to delete the words haiku 1 and have that be your title, you can. Or have your title be the first line. Okay? And then haiku 2 should be here. Again, if you want to delete the words haiku 2 and have that be the title of your poem, I am A-okay with that. Or you will put the title as your first line. Okay? Remember, please go back and watch the other videos, look at the other slides, rewatch this video as many times as you need. And this will be due Thursday, May 7th. I cannot wait to hear all about your haiku poems. Can't wait to read them. Have fun, and I can't wait to read them on Thursday.